Hello friends, this is design engineering. The designing within the context of software engineering. Friends, software design is done after analyzing and modeling the requirements, which serves as basis for code generation and testing. Is the core of software engineering is applied irrespective of any process model. This is analysis model or design model where there is a class based elements, behavioral elements, flow oriented elements and scenario based elements. This comes under the analysis model, which are connected to design model as a data class design, architectural design and interface design. Here the design process. Software design is an iterative process in which with the requirements are translated into the blueprint of the software. Initially, software is represented at high level of abstraction, but during the subsequent iterations, data, functional and behavioral requirements are traced in more detail. During the software design process, quality of the software is assessed by considering certain characteristics of the software design. The design and quality characteristics of good design. The design must implement all of the explicit requirements contained in the analysis model and the implicit requirements desired by the customer. The design must be a readable, understandable guide for developers, testers, and support team. The design should provide a complete picture of the software, addressing the data, functional and behavioral domains from an implementation perspective. Quality guidelines. A design should exhibit an architecture that has been created using recognizable architectural styles or patterns. Second is composed of components that exhibit good design characteristics and can be implemented in an evolutionary fashion. For smaller system, design can sometimes be developed linearly. A design should be modular, that is, the software should be logically partitioned into elements or subsystems. The quality attributes are FURPS, that is functionality, usability, reliability, performance, and supportability. In that functionality, evaluated by features and capabilities of the software. Usability means evaluated by human factors, consistency, and documentation. And in reliability, assessed by frequency of failure, accuracy of output result, mean time to failure, and recovery from the failure. Performance evaluated by following characteristics: speed, response time, resource consumption, throughput efficiency. Supportability, that means combines following attributes: extensibility, adaptability, and serviceability. A design should contain distinct representation of data, architecture, interfaces, and components. A design should lead to data structures that are appropriate for the classes to be implemented. A design should lead to components that exhibit independent functional characteristics. A design should lead to interfaces that reduce the complexity of connections between components and within the external environment. A design should be derived using a repeatable methods that is driven by information obtained during software requirement analysis. A design should be represented using a notation that effectively communicates its meaning. Here are the design principles. The design should be traceable to the analysis model. The design should minimize the intellectual distance between the software and the problem as it exists in the real world. The design should be structured to accommodate change. Design is not coding. The design should be assessed for quality as it is being created, not after the fact. The design should be reviewed to minimize conceptual errors. Thanks for watching the video.